Hi, welcome to LunaView. My name is John, and today we have some additions to the stash that I had a video of last week. So these first four come from Great Hobbies. Ordered some things, and then I ordered more stuff, and more stuff comes. So here we are with the Lancia. I got this model kit because I have a die cast from 1977, and I may not build it as such, but that is the kit. It doesn't come with an engine, and quickly kind of pop it open there for you. And this is kind of two pieces, tires, and stuff. Yeah, not a bad little kit actually. Very detailed, other than the lack of an engine. Also, back in the day, I had this car, an 86 Monte Carlo. I had the 3.8 liter V6 one, same style of wheels, didn't have the pinstriping, but essentially the same car. Yeah, so I said, I did this model back in the day, and the green that my car came in, and might do the same, might not, don't know. It was a good little car, that's for sure. Yeah, so that's the side of the box. Inside, I opened it up. I opened them all up because with that Lancia there, the tires weren't, bagged up. Actually, these probably weren't bagged up because that's my bagging. So, or they were bagged and weren't bagged properly. But I love the windshield, the black, that's perfect. Makes the model look really, really good. I don't think I'll give that in there. So another car I did back in the early 80s was this car. This here is an 88, and I think it's been retooled from the other one because essentially it's the same kit I had in 83 of the 79 Porsche. But yeah, she comes, pre-silvered, and yeah, pretty nice. No engine in this one here, other than, cover detail stuff. But I like a Porsche. I do. Also, we got from Great Hobbies, the last kit from Great Hobbies is this truck. Now, this truck, what it means to me is back in 2002 to 5, in that area, I worked for a company, and that was my work truck. It was a light blue and very basic, but essentially the very same truck. And back here you have what's going on there. Also, it opens up from the side here, not like we normally see, and it comes in a big bag of stuff that I didn't open up yet. Looked at the tires and bagged them up because I don't think they were bagged, because that's my own bagging again. Now, I was opening up the kits and making sure the tires are not contacting any plastic, but I didn't open up this kit. Pretty well sure the tires are good in this from reviews I've seen on YouTube. So this here I picked up at Michael's just because it was there. I already have one. Now I have two. And yeah, it's, other than I'll build one of them someday. No idea why I picked up the second one, other than there was just the one left there. Now, I have a good friend. He lives out in Alberta. His name is Boots, and we trade off model stuff sometimes. And I sent him a couple big rig trailers. Just recently a 48-foot, and before that expanding log trailer, and 2 semi-trucks and other stuff. Lego stuff, he's into that too. But anyway, he sent me this here Coca-Cola van. It's the Ford 77, I believe. And yeah, so this is something I didn't have, so it'd be something I'd be looking forward to build. Back in the day, I did have the Ford van, but I didn't build it. Yep. He also gave me this. Now, this here would have been out of his stash. It's from 2007, I believe. So, a little modified guy. A lot of fun, these little guys, something a little different. Yeah, body. There's your body. You know. So yeah, something a little different. Nothing wrong with that. Good times. But he really hit the ball out of the park with this one. I've been kind of thinking I wanted this kit. It came in a tin, is just superior. Gotta love it. So this is a Studebaker from '53. You can also build it in that style as well. And then the custom style. And stock. Ooh, camera vision. Oh, yeah, comes with, yeah. Everything you need to build all three kinds of kits. So we have two hoods for the car there. Well, actually three, because you would have the actual hood too. You have your chop tops too to put on. Windows and white light tires. White, yeah, beautiful. Beautiful kit. Very, very happy. It was on my wish list to get this kit, definitely. And yeah, he pulled through big time, and here it is. So I'm very, very happy. So that is the Stash Edition. And the X serves a good purpose if I keep the camera in this position. So I'll have to mark an X off on this side too. But yeah, that works all right. Kind of like that. It's like, oh, it's in position. Gotta love it. All right. Thank you very much for joining. Yeah, still building on the 56 Ford. It has paint drying issues. I sprayed it with enamel, and this is over 2 weeks now, and it's still not dry. So we'll wait a little bit longer. And I started on a 69 Chevelle, the Rebelle kit, and that is basically, I guess, ready for prime. Yeah, we're ready for prime. We've done a lot of prepping the body and stuff, and prime is next, I guess. So, thanks for joining me. I'll see y'all. Take care.